In 2017, Airbnb's companies considered entering Central America and the South American markets as a potential expansion resort and more than just a hotel substitute. Rather than disrupting the market, they are arguably at the forefront now, still with hotels having a significant share of the market. What are the top 7 Airbnbs and hotels in Central and South America? Using Airbnb and hotels in the broader Caribbean is a unique and unforgettable experience. There are a wide variety of lodging options in Central and South America. You are about to embark on an incredible journey that will take you from an airplane cottage to a pod-suspended Madeira. Can't believe what you're hearing? Well, this is nothing compared to what you'll see on this channel. So subscribe today to get instant access. For today, we've selected 7 of our favorite Airbnbs and hotels in Central America and South America. Number 7. Hotel Paracas, Paracas, Peru. First on our list is a luxury collection hotel in South America's Paracas, Hotel Paracas. The white and wood decor of this resort, nestled on the picturesque Paracas Peninsula, virtually disappears into its surroundings. The Atacama Desert looms on one side, while lush greenery and crystal-clear rivers line the other. On the hotel's pier, guests can take a stroll, eat at one of 3 on-site restaurants, and participate in activities like paddleboarding and shell collecting. Or they can join a tour that focuses on sailing, marine life, or the desert. Excellent hotel, amazing service, exquisite food. I fell in love the moment I saw their amenities, was one of the many compliments the hotel received from its guests. Number 6. The Eagle's Nest, Guatemala. Next, San Marcos, La Laguna's all-wooden solar-powered Airbnb that sits atop Lake Atitlan is our feature. The Eagle's Nest Airbnb views 3 gorgeous volcanoes and a turquoise lake from its terrace. While sitting in a hammock like an eagle perched on her nest, as the name suggests, you can view the native Mayan inhabitants in the hamlet below as they go about their everyday lives.
So peaceful.
You will feel at home in the colorful private dorms with panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. This place is an awe-inspiring ecological resort for the transformational growth of adventure travelers. Ecolodges are rather common in South America and Central America. Stay tuned and learn about Morgan's Rock, Nicaragua's first luxury ecolodge. Number 5. A treehouse in the rainforest, Costa Rica. Furthermore, a treehouse in the rainforest, or a cabin in the woods, whatever you choose to call it. The Tree Home Airbnb in Costa Rica provides access to 12 naturally heated and cooled springs, in addition to the peace that comes with being one with nature. For safety concerns, children under the age of 5 are not permitted. At the Biothermales Natural Resort, the treehouse is one of 3 casetas and 3 treehouses handcrafted and fitted into a 35-acre jumbo. From 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., guests get free access to the 15 natural hot and cold springs pools and jumbo pathways. As rare as this Airbnb is, Costa Rica still has even better to offer. Coming up soon, the Cockpit Cottage. Stay tuned to see what features it has. Number 4. Porta Hotel Antigua, Guatemala. Also, with its lush, beautiful gardens and gracious hospitality, Porta Hotel is one of the most authentic hotels in Antigua. In the center of Mayan culture, the original building and 2 newer annexes offer an elegant and rustic escape. Cobblestones, parrots, and modern conveniences go together like peaches and cream. The Porta Hotel has a spa where you can enjoy a session in Antigua's indigenous Temescal sauna.
Ah, we're in heaven.
With its colonial ambience and friendly hospitality, it is rumored to be one of the most coveted wedding destinations in Central America. Imagine your dream wedding in the heart of La Antigua, surrounded by stunning mountain views, enchanting colonial architecture, and vibrant cultural sites. I'm sure it will be one to remember. Number 3. Morgan's Rock, San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. Now, this hotel is one of a kind. The first luxury ecolodge in Nicaragua is a place to escape into the wild and embrace nature. Hilltop bungalows with stunning views may be reached through natural stone trails, a hanging bridge, and many steps. Guests at this hotel can also be chauffeured to their hilltop accommodations. where they can expect to hear only the sounds of monkeys and bickering parrots. There is a nesting ground for endangered sea turtles on the beach, as well as a forest that has been left unspoiled. The awe-inspiring sunsets are a sight to behold. If you are a sunset person, please leave a thumbs up for the video. Number 2. Cockpit Cottage, Costa Rica. An airplane hotel room amid the treetops is the ultimate one-of-a-kindness in Central America. This hotel offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for aviation fans. It's much cozier than you'd imagine due to the use of indigenous teakwood on the walls. It has everything you might need, including air conditioning and many outlets. The bed has a view of the ocean, a major perk. From the cockpit kitchenette, you'll be able to see the treetops, while the terrace is the perfect spot to sip bubbly and take in the stunning ocean views.
Spectacular! Spectacular!
For those who like to start their day with their morning cup of coffee in front of a beautiful sunrise, this is the place to be. Number 1. Skylodge Adventure Suites, Ollantaytambo, Machu Picchu, Peru. Though at this hotel, it's easy to become dizzy from the heights, the pods are durable and well-designed, and they're anchored to the rock face with 20 strong anchor points, each of which can withstand 1.5 tons. This is a unique, adventurous, and fascinating concept. Clean, basic, and efficient interiors encourage guests to gaze at the world outside, rather than within the space. Wearing hard hats, gloves, and harnesses when entering and exiting the pods is as close to performing a spacewalk as most of us will ever. There are no other structures like them in South America or the world. Aluminum and polycarbonate cling to the granite slope above the AIRBNB Valley. You feel more like you're in a spaceship than a hotel as the night sky shimmers above you as you sleep. What do you think of the Skylodge? Will you feel comfortable sleeping in midair? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Whether traveling to the historic city of Cusco, Peru, or the colorful colonial city of Antigua, the cities of Central America and South America each have their unique appeal, with their signature blend of breathtaking scenery, delectable cuisine, and vibrant culture. The greatest city hotels and Airbnb in the region offer a variety of access points to the best features of each destination. If you enjoyed watching this video, you would surely enjoy our next Hotels vs. Airbnbs Pros and Cons for Travelers video.